Hey, what's going on? All right, so here we are. It's now July 2nd? Yes, July 2nd. And the cat is having a nap here. Cat is having a nap, doing his thing. And we got some new junk over here. We got a laptop from the old guy. Battery sitting there. Battery won't take a charge, but whatever. It's a P4 2.5, 512 megabytes of RAM, DDR 266 or some shit, and a Linksys wireless G card. So I guess that'll come in handy for some of the other machines. This does have one of the old school type slots for wireless card. I have one. I'd have to try it and see if I can get it to work in a Gatewood, even though it was out of a Comcrap. So anyway, this laptop sometimes has some problems. I mean, it's got some filth in the speakers. I don't know if you can see there. But sometimes you turn it on, you get no power, no post, or no video, no post, excuse me. This time, we're getting video and post. Awesome. Apologize about the window glare. We'll try to do that. Now, if you notice, it's sitting here for some time. Somebody told me that this possibly might have a bad CMOS battery. The reason it's sitting here is behind the scenes, even though you can't see it, it is counting up every single solitary megabyte of the 512. There it goes. And it's starting to boot. This thing has like 2 or 3 fans in it because at this point in time they were basically not designing laptops but shoehorning desktop parts into laptop cases. So the processor runs very hot, the mainboard chipset runs very hot, so they have fans for absolutely everything. This particular unit has not been used since 1999. I did get it fired up the other day. I'm going to reload the OS and get everything rolling properly with it so I can add it to the stack of laptops, which you cannot see right over in the corner there. And then it can sit there and collect dust until I actually go away, which is about once a year. And then I'm going to take this laptop and another one with me so I can do that. So there we go. We'll just go there and hit that. Now, this also had a strange problem with the wireless card. It does look like it's working now, but it was giving me a device cannot start, even though it had the drivers. I gave it the right drivers, re-downloaded them, the whole shit, and whatever, and it didn't like it. But today, let's see, just waiting for it to load here. I see the light on the wireless card flashing, so that generally would be indicative of its driver loaded and it's trying to obtain some information from the wirelessness. And it's there. It is there. Everything's up and running. So it goes on the interwebs. There's an icon here. I'm not going to put Vista on this one. I'll leave this one as XP. And I got the junky HP one also, so I'll probably take those two in the little shit book. So I got one to fart around with, this one to work on, and the other one the wife can play around with. That's just nice. You just open that up, just open the interwebs, just a plain old internet homepage there. You got Optimum going on, right? And they're talking about gay marriage and shit, and it's all over the news now. Just ridiculous. Just ridiculous. But anyway, it works, and there it is. I don't have a set of recovery disks for it, so I'm going to have to see if drivers are available. And we'll reload it, and it'll be awesome. Yeah, okay, chooch it.